Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Brain Teaser. This is Kalpana Chauhan and today I will teach you very interesting and very global topic, that is ozone layer depletion. So firstly we will talk about the ozone. Ozone is a poisonous gas which is denoted by symbol O3. It lies on the upper part of the atmosphere. Our earth has different layers of atmosphere. So first layer is troposphere and the second layer is stratosphere. This ozone gas lies into the second layer of the atmosphere, that is stratosphere. This layer stratosphere lies about 48 kilometers above from the अर्थ सरफेस से, अर्थ के सरफेस से 48 किलोमीटर्स की हाइट पर होती है. सो ओजोन इज अ वेरी पॉइजनस गैस but it is not harmful for the living beings at all because it lies at a height from the earth's surface. So it is not so much harmful for the living organism, but it is very useful for the survival of the living organism because it absorbs the ultraviolet radiation produced by the sun. The sun produces ultraviolet radiations which directly fall upon the earth, but this ozone layer this ozone layer doesn't allow the UV radiation to enter into the earth's surface directly. So this layer is very much important for the survival of living organism as it absorbs the ultraviolet radiation produced by the sun. So it doesn't allow the large amount of ultraviolet radiation to enter into the earth's atmosphere, as it protect the living organism of the earth, right? So this is all about the ozone layer. So now we'll talk about the ultraviolet radiation. What is the harmful effect of ultraviolet radiation? It can it can harm the plants, it can destroy plants, and it can cause several diseases like skin cancer, uh, eye irritation, and cataract, etc. These are some effects of the ozone layer. So it is very much useful to prevent the ultraviolet radiation to enter into the atmosphere. That work is done by the ozone layer, right? So now we'll talk about the depletion. What is depletion? Depletion means destruction, नष्ट होना, धीरे धीरे करके उसको खत्म होना. So slowly the ozone layer at the polar region become thinner and thinner day by day. What is the reason? Antarctica region. This is the polar region of the earth. So at the Antarctica region, this ozone layer is getting thinner day by day. So what is the effect of that depletion? The ultraviolet radiation of the sun started entering directly into the atmosphere of the earth at this region. जहाँ से ये ओजोन लेयर धीरे धीरे करके पतली होती जा रही है, वहाँ से जो अल्ट्रा वायलेट रेडिएशंस हैं वो डायरेक्टली हमारी अर्थ के सरफेस के अंदर आने स्टार्ट हो गए हैं. सो उसके बहुत सारे हार्मफुल कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस हैं, जिसकी वजह से लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा हार्मफुल इफेक्ट हो रहे हैं, राइट। सो दिस इज द दिस process of getting thinner day by day of ozone layer, that is called ozone layer depletion, right? So in 1987, all the countries coordinate together and they make a UNEP, means United Nations Environment Program, right? What is the function of this program? All the countries decided to reduce the production of chlorofluorocarbons. What is chlorofluorocarbon? Some man-made substances like refrigerator, air conditioner, fire extinguisher, shaving foam, they all contain the CFC and HCFC, means chlorofluorocarbon and hydrochlorofluorocarbon. So बहुत ज़्यादा इन सब्सटेंसेस का यूज़ करने की वजह से जो हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर में हाइड्रो क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन एंड क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन की जो क्वांटिटी है वो बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गई थी। सो इसकी वजह से ये ओजोन डिप्लेशन स्टार्ट हुआ। सो दीज सब्सटेंसेस आर कॉल्ड ओजोन डिप्लेशन सब्सटेंसेस, इन शॉर्ट वी कैन से ODS, ओजोन डिप्लेशन सब्सटेंसेस, the substances which produce CFC and HCFC in the atmosphere. They are called ozone depletion substances, right? So due to the chlorofluorocarbon and hydrochlorofluorocarbon in the atmosphere, it cause very harmful effect on the ozone layer. When the chlorofluorocarbons are released in the atmosphere, when they act with the ozone layer, they produce chlorine gas in the atmosphere, which directly harm the ozone layer. So due to these substances, the ozone layer is getting thinner day by day, but at present the situation is under the control due to the UNEP, United Nations Environment Program. So this is our duty also to protect our environment from the pollution. So in this way we have to plant more and more trees and reduce the use of chlorofluorocarbons so that we can save our ozone layer, because it is very much important for the survival of living organism. I hope you understand the topic and you like it very much. If you like, then please subscribe the channel and share the video as much as possible. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon in the next video.